How to remove EBT card from DoorDash. Electronic Benefit Transfer (EBT) is an electronic system that allows state welfare departments to issue benefits via a magnetically encoded payment card. To remove an EBT card from DoorDash, follow these steps. Launch the DoorDash app on your device and log in if necessary. Then you will find DoorDash homepage. Go to the Account section from the list. Select Payment Method or Payment under Account Settings section. Scroll through your saved payment methods and find the EBT card. Tap on the EBT card you want to remove. Look for an option to delete, remove, or a trash bin icon, and select it. If the app doesn't provide a direct option to remove the card, try contacting DoorDash support for assistance. Thanks for watching.